I said it was a feast, I was not joking.
This is mental.
Gezur. Oh, it tastes nice today. I think we're just getting used to it.
I think we are too.
This is tav kosi. One of Albania's national dishes. Just, oh, it's delicious. It's so creamy. Let's dig into this.
Raki's amazing.
The break. We've got homemade break, cheese and spinach.
I think it's nettle.
Oh, nettle. We'll ask. I'm not even going to explain to you everything. There's so much going on. This is Mango.
He says,
absolutely lovely cat.
well,
He
gave me a scratch.
It's very cute.
He's got a personality about him. Is what you could say.
A character.
He's a character, yeah. So there's a few characters looking around in this end of town.
So over here, this is the garden of the house, and round the back here is where they grow all their own fruit, vegetables, so like potatoes, tomatoes, celery, they grow everything. It's just started to rain as well, but look at the mountain view, it's so beautiful, this house. I love it. Wow. Marco, what do you want? Hey, what do you want?
He had to walk out of the kitchen because he was trying to get the pulley.
Pulley?
Pulley.
Sheep. Sheep.
Is it?
It's already filming.
I know, am I feeling
Can
Oh.
I go in? Are they hungry? Oh, we found him. Almost there. Oh, oh. Ah, the other one as well.
crazy?
That's funny. No? Yo.
Yo.
What? Can we get there? Moi, pelchen, pule. A lot, show me. Beautiful, aren't they? Follow them down. Do we see the big ones there?
Yeah, the corn.
Oh, look at that.
The mama hens.
The boys, that's the men. And you said this is the house? Did they get corn though, the men? Oh, they've all run off.
Go.
Cool. This here? All? Okay. They're scared of me. They're all hiding. I love chicken so much. the best animals in the corner.
And some tea. Oh, the hens.
Is this the eggs? That's
Yes.
Oh wow. Get in here, please. Eggs. Ah. Oh wow, look in there, Lee. Can you see that?
Oh, wow. She's laid so many.
There's like 12 eggs. Wow. That's a
There
lot
was
of
none
eggs.
yesterday when we
There's
looked.
more here, they're everywhere.
12
Wow.
eggs.
In near Dita.
Near Dita.
No.
No.
No. Yo.
21.
Ah, okay,
Ah,
okay. Wow.
Wow.
More poaching. More poaching. That's amazing.
Crazy.
It's raining on us now.
Magical place. How do we do it?
Is this the raki?
Okay.
So he makes it and then.
He puts it away.
Ah,
Wow. So it's this machine in the corner
wow.
where the raki's
amazing.
made.
And is this the start?
Maybe it's not season, maybe in summer when the plums grow.
No, but it's cement, so he makes it and then oh, it's gonna be full of raki. All raki. No. Smell? In there, it's so Josh.
Oh, it smells good. It smells like
Moy,
plums.
Josh Moy, 6 months in there.
Wow,
Then it's
ferment. Smells fruity in there.
Ah, wait, the shumir. Very good smell. Wow. That is amazing.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, 3. Wow.
Mad. Hi.
That's amazing. Michael.
Hold the camera.
That is amazing. Follow me there. Штапи булку.
Magazine.
Magazine. Or garage.
Ah,
Maybe.
garage maybe.
Magazine. Oh, the garlic.
Ow, look.
Oh.
Michael. Get off.
Go on.
Oh, follow me there. Amazing. What is in here? Is this the? Oh, this is the stash. Oh, this is the motherlode. What? Schwere eerste kilo. No rack. Your racky.
No, lang.
One.
Lang tranda.
Or for salad.
No.
Fig.
Tranda fig.
A fig. Yes.
Ah, fig.
Ah, okay. Figs.
Ah, these. Fig.
Jam.
Ah,
Is
fig.
it jam?
Fig.
Jam. Ah. Wow. Wow.
Fiori
Yes.
lule.
Uh-huh.
Dus persan merata. Ifut lu ui. Ekte
Ah,
Wow.
it's preserved.
So they keep them. And the raki?
no. Ja.
Ja.
Oog.
Is that wine? Or is it vinegar?
No, it's vinegar.
For salad?
Huh.
Salad.
For salad.
Drink.
Olive oil.
Drink.
Just try it.
No.
What is that?
I'm sure. What for? Drink? I don't know if I think it's some sort of vinegar substance. Oh, this.
Composto.
Ah, like a fruit.
Fruit.
Fruits, yes. Apple. Is it apple? Apples?
Manzana,
Yes.
apple.
Ah!
What? Catch, mackerel.
Pushim.
What
Pushim
is...
is all good.
This is a cat food, he knows, doesn't he? Wow. It's amazing. Touching.
Try. Want to try?
Yeah.
Oh,
We
okay.
take it in the house. Following Dairy. Bring a bit more now.
Where's the cat?
Cat?
Machu.
Mac.
Oh.
Okay. You leave him to eat.
So beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, bukur stepi. Bukur stepi. Oh, I was gonna say everything's off.
He's moved it in for us. You take your, shoes,
Sorry.
your outdoor shoes off.
Respect.
You put your indoor shoes on.
And I've got some of these snazzy sandals. Check
It's
these
a
bad boys
geezer.
out.
Geezer.
Giza. So I think we're trying this.
I think we are. I think it's apple.
And this is the raki. Ah, so cook
Raki?
cook the
Ah.
raki in stepi or
Stepi.
stepi.
Preserved fruit. Tasting the
Is that
lid.
the thing?
Oh,
Is it drink?
ah. Don't tell me it's wine.
With apples in?
Maybe.
Really?
Try first.
C'est non. Ah, oh.
Try.
Should I put one in? It's apple or peach?
Maybe it's peach.
Mir?
Shumir.
Mm.
That is unbelievable.
Is
That is.
Is it, what is it like, wine?
It's like a juice, like a really sweet juice.
Try it.
Shumir.
Mm.
How delicious
It's
is
peach,
that?
isn't it?
Peach.
Wow.
But so, drink all
Mm.
of this. Drink. Paul.
Bom.
Wow. Fala it. Shumir.
Follow me down, Shum.
Shall we put it in a good light at the window?
That is so good. What do you think?
So delicious.
It's like.
Let's try this peach. It's peaches, isn't it?
Ja,
Do peach, do rasno.
Got apple.
Yes.
Mol.
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 Apple.
Apple.
Mol. It's apple, but it's been in there for so long that it's like you wouldn't know. It's really soft. It's got a peach texture.
So I was saying before when I said like obviously we're not in the season of fruit right now. But they preserve everything.
Oh,
It's
you saw that
amazing.
garage, it was
It's
absolutely
amazing
amazing.
how they can preserve things like that and they have it now. It just blows my mind off because you don't see this kind of stuff in the UK, do you?
It's heaven on earth.
What are you doing with that?
Plus somebody had a drink when he comes back.
I'm going to give him a drink. He'll say no, it's 7 p.m.
He's got me, so we've had a cup of raki for breakfast with my coffee. And I think I've had three more. Is it? Maybe 3 more cups of raki. Since we've come to this house, all we've done is eat, drink raki, and chat. It's the best place ever, isn't it?
Wholesome.
It's so good.
Describe it.
I just enjoy what they have here. Still so full after that food. This is so tasty. I'm really thankfully open that for us. It's very sweet. Looks like a dessert.
Like a syrup.
Raki per tu? Yeah. Per moi? This? All this?
No.
Oh no, the cup's coming.
It's delicious.
The cup is coming. Why not? We're only here once, I guess. Do you want another one?
That's the one.
Just
no.
pack. Pack.
He knows just how to tell you it's a little bit more in that cup.
It was all very good, isn't it? It was good. Forte.
It's delicious.
This. Now I sleep. De ora.
Duur.
De
Ah. Pes. Pes.
Start. More. So 2 hours sleep, wake up, raki.
Tavkosi.
Tavkosi?
Awesome.
There's more tavkosi.
Burk?
After.
Tavkosi. Burk.
Pack because I'm so full.
Oh.
Gonna leave 2 stone heavier.
How do you say fat again? Moist fat. Yundure. Undure.
Indur.
Moi undure.
Indur.
It's very good.
That's the juice. I just think it's crazy how they make it. It's all just in there.
How long? Ask him how long that's been there for.
Was that how many? Sashume moi in the garage. Sashume moi.
God, pes.
4 or 5 months.
Moi. Katet pes moi.
Tetor.
Tet år.
Tetor. Nantor.
hours.
Lietor. Januar. Skor. Mars.
5 months. Mars is May.
Mar.
Mars is May.
Wow.
I think.
Fermentorat.
Fermentorat.
Apple. Is it water?